to what we're seeing now is that, especially in the younger generation is relying more and more on things like AI and internet access to make like extremely important life decisions. What college do I go to? What career do I enter into? What person do I marry? What church do I go to? What faith should I consider? Chat. And you get to this point where you're like, I don't know what to do now. I know all of the options, but I don't know what to do. Another thing that happens, another reason this doesn't work, is we have a tendency to listen to guidance that is reaffirming rather than challenging. We have a tendency to gravitate towards things that reaffirm the stuff that we already want to be true, and we run away from the things that are actually challenging our perspective on things. Why is this a problem? What if it is the Lord that's challenging your perspective? What if God is calling you to run towards something that you by nature want to run away from? Our problem isn't a lack of strategy. Our problem is that we have too many strategies and we're not faithful to any one of them. Our spiritual lives are not led by King Jesus. They are being pushed and directed by worldly advisors. The way of Jesus isn't just one way among many. It is the only way to live.